Jai Hind दोस्तों, welcome back to your YouTube channel Shan Shastra Union Public Service Commission UPSC. Okay, recently UPSC has released multiple notification for MSc and BSc chemistry students. Now I'm talking about one of that kind of vacancies, and the advertisement number is 06/2025. Okay, the UPSC has released a notification for BSc Chem as well as MSc Chem. So recruitment drive 2025. Before proceeding to advertisement, let me first tell you about the department and number of vacant posts. It will make you happy to know that so many vacant posts are there in central government departments. So vacancy details. The first department is Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, and the name of post that they are offering is Scientific Officer Chemical, and total vacant post is 12. Next department is Department of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and the name of vacant post is Inspector of Medical Devices. Total vacancy is 20. So total 32 number of vacant posts is there for MSc chemistry students. UPSC has released a notification for multiple posts. Among that multiple posts under the advertisement number 06/2025, we have 32 vacancies for MSc and BSc Chem. Let's see in detail what all these about. So this one vacancy number 25050603624. There are 12 vacancies that I have already mentioned in the post of Scientific Officer Chemical, and the name of the office, that is department, is National Test House under the Department of Consumer Affairs, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Okay, so total 12 vacancies, National Test House, and the pay level that you will be getting posting is pay level 8. This is basically a central government job. What is the education qualification? MSc in chemistry, master degree in chemistry. Okay, it requires 1 year experience, 1 year experience in analytical or any chemistry testing laboratory. So if we have done any kind of job in chemistry, in any kind of private industry or in public industry, so you are eligible. Okay, General Central Services Group B gazetted non-ministerial, and the headquarter of this organization is at Kolkata, but you will be liable to post it at anywhere in India. Okay, all the headquarter of NTH is Kolkata, but you will be posted anywhere in India. So this is all about the NTH. Let's see what is the next vacancy. Serial number 24, and the vacancy number is 25050624624. There are 20 vacant posts in the, and the name of the post is Drug Inspector Medical Devices, and the name of the organization is Central Drug Standard Control Organization, CDSCO. This CDSCO is a parent organization in the India which has the highest authority for controlling the drugs, any kind of medicine, under the administrative control of Department of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Total 20 vacancies there. Okay, again you are going to post at pay level 0A, level 8 under the 7 CPC. Bachelor degree in chemistry. Okay, this is BSc chemistry. That one for MSc Chem, this one is BSc chemistry. No prior experience is required. For scientist degree chemical, only 1 year prior experience is required. But for this kind of post, no prior experience is required. Permanent post, General Central Services Group B, gases non-ministerial. Headquarters at New Delhi, but you will be posted anywhere in India. So this is all about the number of vacant posts and the name of the department. Now let's see how you have to fill the form and what are the important dates. Okay, so form fill up has already started. Today is the starting date of form fill up. So 24th May 2025 to 12th of June 2025. And the website that you have to use is upsconline.gov.in ORA. The last date of making application is 12th of June. These all are basically interview based posts. UPSC received multiple applications, then they will make a shortlisting criteria. As of now, they said that there's an interview based post. So first you have to register in their website called upsconline.gov.in ORA. Then there you have to create ID password. If you have already created that ID password, then you can use that ID password for further login. So you must be citizen of India. It is written in the advertisement that if the number of application being large, the commission will adopt the shortlisting criteria. And what are the following methods that they are going to use for shortlisting the application is: first, on the basis of desirable qualification, that is MSc or BSc chemistry, then higher qualification. Okay, one thing you should remember: if you have passed CSIR, NET, GATE, or any other exam, then you must enter all these kind of details during the filling of the form. It will give you upper hand for the selecting in the interview. If UPSC has to conduct the recruitment test, there will be a 75:25 ratio for the recruitment test and interview. Okay. If UPSC has to conduct the interview test, then there will be a minimum marks must be attained by the candidate, and that marks is for unreserved and EW 50 marks, for OBC 45 marks, and SC/ST 40 marks. So to remain in the race. Now, what is the application? 25 rupees application fee for general category students, female, SC, ST, PW candidate, they are exempted for any application fee. Yes, there is an age relaxation for SC, ST, female, ex-servicemen. Everyone is there for age relaxation. Now, how to apply? Just I have already mentioned that you have to apply using the website called upsconline.gov.in. Now, for you have to upload the photograph not more older than 10 days. That your photograph must mention that the date on which you have clicked the photo. Now, what all document is required during the form fill up? The first one is your date of birth certificate. That will be your 10th class certificate or mark sheet. 10th class or matriculation certificate or mark sheet will be treated as a proof of date of birth. Degree certificate or diploma certificate, a certificate. Now, the very important point to the advertisement is that candidates who wish to apply for more than one post can apply. Okay. So, if you want to apply for NTH or if you want to apply for inspector medical devices, you can apply for both the form. You can apply for both the posts. You have to pay you have to pay the fees of individual post. Okay. So it is a great news for MSc or basic chemistry students. Okay. Now after making the online application, you have to take out the printout of the final submitted form that will be useful during the interview. One thing you should remember that you cannot make multiple application for single post, but you can apply for multiple posts by making it a single application for each post. At the time of interview, what all documents you have to produce to the board? The very first document is the printout of the form, original documents, printout of the form, duly signed. Then matriculation certificate, degree diploma certificate, there is BSc chemistry, MSc chemistry, caste certificate, OBC certificate if any, PW certificate. Those who have qualified CSIR net, GATE or any conference, internship, okay, or any kind of publication if you have, you must produce these in front of board to get upper hand during the interview. Yes, they have mentioned in the advertisement that part-time job, daily wages or guest faculty will not be treated as a in experience. So my friend, this is all about the UPSC scientist B chemical in NTH and inspector medical devices in your CDSCO department. So I hope you have enjoyed this video because this is going to be 32 number of vacant posts for MSc chemistry. Why UPSC is great news. Okay. So if you have any doubt regarding any kind of these vacancies, feel free to connect with me. Till then, stay tuned. Prashant Shastri channel. Thank you.